First, I need a pan and I will take some water. And after that, I will take some jeera. You have to choose as per your needs, okay? And you need to boil this water at least 3 to 4 minutes. After that, it will boil like this, and after that I will take tomato and onions. I will take 2 tomato and 2 onions. Now it need to take boil. Okay, when it will now cook, I will nicely take some salt as per my taste. Now it's time to close the lid. Now I will take some chili and some ginger garlic paste also. Then I need to cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, take some turmeric powder. And this one is a special masala which my mom created. I really don't know how she created this masala, so you can skip it also. Now I will add some black pepper also. You can also skip it, this one, if you don't like to eat spicy. Okay, now for the color I will take some red chili powder, कश्मीरी लाल मिर्च जिसे बोलते हैं हम लोग. After that I will cook for it maybe 4 or 5 minutes. Okay, so I will add some cheese because I really love to eat cheese. That's why I added. This is optional. You can skip it or add it if you want. And the thing is, I'm not a good cook, but I will try to. So don't judge, please. Okay, now it's time to take paneer. Without paneer, how we will make kadai paneer, right? It's almost done, and this is very good for diet. You can also use it for your diet because it's no oil, and this taste is really very good.